Vallow Daybell's second Arizona trial is set to continue first thing tomorrow morning. And the first few days of the trial just last week featured heated exchanges, including one where Vallow Daybell was removed from the courtroom. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton was in court and has more.
Truly a jaw-dropping moment in court when Vallow Daybell was arguing with the judge, and the judge told the deputy to take her out.
And if I open the door, do I get a hearing? We stop trial and I get a hearing on...
Stop. We'll have a very short hearing, okay? If you're going to introduce how you have great character and good character, we're going to have a short hearing on what evidence that they can bring in to rebut that character, which could include being convicted of 4 murders. So
and would you
talk to your advisory counsel during the break. And
you don't need to yell at me either. I'm
at you, okay?
Yeah, you are, and you do not need to talk to me that way. I'm very courteous.
Take her out.
I'm very courteous to you.
Take her out. No, you have been nothing near courteous to me during the course of these proceedings.
This all stems from Vallow Daybell's opening statements where she claimed to have no malice and to spread love. Before the jury came in Friday, the prosecutor pointed out that they could rebut those character statements by bringing in her prior convictions, which include the murders of her kids in Idaho and her role in the death of her former husband here in Arizona. This later led to an argument from Vallow Daybell, ultimately leading to her removal. After she was removed, she came back and apologized to the judge. The judge warned her that he can revoke her pro se status, meaning she wouldn't be able to represent herself anymore. In this case, Vallow Daybell is accused of conspiring with her brother, Alex Cox, to kill her niece's ex-husband, Brandon Boudreau. Investigators believe Cox tried to shoot Boudreau outside his home in Gilbert in October 2019. Brandon wasn't hit and actually took the stand to testify. Things remain tense as Vallow Daybell cross-examined him.
So you and I have never had an argument in our lifetimes.
I wouldn't agree with that. I would say that there have for sure been disagreements between us, but I can't think of a specific time that I could share where me and you face-to-face argued. I'm not a confrontational person.
You've known me for all these years. Am I a confrontational person?
I'm going to check the character evidence under 404 and 405.
Sustained.
On redirect.
When you saw that bullet hole in your car and no paint on your car, what went through your head?
When I saw that, I knew that there was no other option than that someone just shot at me and they were meaning to kill me. There's no other logical explanation for why that would have happened.
Lori's brother, Alex Cox, can't be charged in this case because he died before charges were filed. Another big update from court that Vallow Daybell's niece, Melanie, the ex-wife of Brandon Boudreau, is actually part of an open investigation related to this case. That, according to the prosecutor. We're expecting testimony to continue Monday morning. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
Erica, thank you. And 12 Plus is streaming the entire trial. Download 12 Plus on your TV now to watch for free. We'll also have nightly recaps at 8 o'clock. Again, that's exclusively streaming on 12 Plus.